It's Grandma. How are you? How are you doing? Are you Grandma's baby girl? Huh? Can you talk to me? Say hi. Where's Dada? Dada, Dada. Dada, Dada. I hear you. I hear you. Can you tell me a story? Huh? I love you. I love you, baby girl. Say da 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 da. Da 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 da.
She's trying to figure the phone out.
What, honey?
She's trying to figure it out.
Oh. Hey. Hey, baby girl. I hear you. I hear you. Can you say something? Can you say da 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 da? Huh?
Here, honey, I think you hung up on Grandma.
Oh, you talking to Grandma? Okay. I love you so much. Yes, I do.
Oh, honey. Okay, Ma.